Hello, this is Steve over at Jackie Cooper Infinity. Wanted to bring you a quick video of a QX80 with the captain's chairs in the second row. Let you see what that one looks like. Got individual captain's chairs with a center console, so each person gets their own seat, and plenty of storage in that second row console. Again, third row flips up, or second row flips up, giving you access to the third row. Plenty of seating and lots of room back there. And again, this version does have the theater package. Coming around, power lift gate. And of course, the seats in these are power third row, so they'll come down automatic or power for you. Storage space in the back. Coming around here to the front, much the same on the front. You're going to find your large display, center zone, tri-zone climate, navigation, of course your four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive options. Love to have you come by, take a look at it, help you make a decision. Again, my name is Steve. You can reach me at 918-806-8233. It's 918-806-8233.